Hey, it's Booney and Ketch, and we are going to cook today. Well, we're gonna make pudding today. Does that sound good? All right, Booney, are you ready to see how much fun we can have today? Yeah. So we thought, Booney loves peanut butter and bananas, and so we thought we would take a traditional banana pudding recipe and turn it into a peanut butter banana pudding recipe. Does that sound good? Oh, I can hardly wait to taste it. Well, let's get cooking. You ready? And he's been asking to cook like every day. You've been asking to make something every day? Yeah. So you're really excited? You're gonna help me? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so in our bowl we have vanilla pudding. We just put 2 packs of the family size vanilla pudding, and we're gonna add 6 cups, actually 5 cups of milk to this. 5 cups of milk. All right. We're gonna mix it up and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We mixed our vanilla pudding. Does it look good? Did we do a good job? Okay, and then we're gonna take our Cool Whip, and we're gonna take just about half of the Cool Whip or so and mix it into the pudding. We should get your spoon. Are you like, where's my spoon? Why am I not trying this right now? Look at these cool spoons. Ooh, this is the spoon. Is that a B for Booney? These are the spoons that Booney uses. Okay, I don't know which brand they are, but they have a bamboo handle and then a latex rubbery spoon so that it doesn't scrape across his teeth, and these are awesome. We've been using these for a couple years now, right? So we'll look it up and put it in our comment section so you can buy them too, right? That's a cool spoon. All right, do you want to try it? Okay, I touched it, so we're gonna ready. Should we go further with this recipe? Is that good? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Okay, awesome, awesome. All right, we'll leave that there for later. Okay, so we're gonna finish mixing this. All right, so I looked up some recipes, and we like to have lots of fun. We like to do our own thing. So we decided not to use vanilla wafers, and we decided not to use peanut butter cookies or whatever. So we thought it would be really fun to use peanut butter cereal. So this is just the Reese's peanut butter puff cereal. I love this. This is like one of my favorite. This is like a real treat for me, this peanut butter cereal. Yeah, so we're gonna use this, and we're gonna layer our trifle bowl with peanut butter cereal. We're gonna start with that. Does that look like enough? We'll start with that in the bottom. Then we're gonna put our vanilla pudding. I should just tip it over maybe. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. Look at Booney's face. He's very excited. He's like, yes. Yes, this is gonna be yummy. All right, and then we're gonna add a layer of bananas. A layer of bananas. Is that yummy? You wanna try the banana? And we use yellow bananas. Like, you don't want bananas with spots, and you definitely don't want green bananas. You want those Like perfectly ripe bananas seem to do a little better. Oh, and then the next part is we're gonna take peanut butter that we melted in the microwave for 1 minute. So we have a whole thing of peanut butter. And we're just gonna pour this melted peanut butter over the top of the bananas. So a layer of peanut butter. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. Okay, and then we're gonna start again with our cereal. All right, I think that's it. What do you think? What do you think? Does that look yummy? You ready to try it? You want to try that? Okay. Are you excited? Ooh, this is so good. This looks so yummy. Okay, this is the true test. What do you think? Is that yummy? Does that make you very happy? Yes. Are you gonna share? Yes, you always share. You're so nice. You're so nice. All right, well, we'll put all of the ingredients in the recipe in our comments, along with our favorite spoon, and we hope you enjoy.